Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to use telephony and call tracking in Agile CRM. First, connect your phone system. Go to Settings by clicking your profile picture. In the left menu, find Integrations. Click Telephony or Phone System. You'll see supported providers like Twilio. Click your provider's Connect button. A new window opens. Log into your phone service and click Allow to connect. Once connected, you can make a call. Go to any contact's profile. In their card, click the phone icon. A dial pad appears. Type the number and click Call. The call is made through your connected service. Now, for tracking, all calls are logged automatically. Go to the contact's profile. Look for the Activities section. You will see the call listed with the date and duration. To see all calls, go to Reports. Look for a report called Call Logs. Click it to see every call, who they were with, and how long they lasted. And that's it. You've connected your phone, made a call, and seen where calls are tracked. If this helped you track calls, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.